Good morning, it's Scout Dennis Garage. In part 2 of the Sandblaster modification, we are building a DIY dust collector on the cheap. Stay tuned. Before we jump into this week's video, I'd like to invite you to the Midwest #1 Adventure and Travel Consumer Show, the More Overlanding and Off-Road Expo. It'll be held April 21st through 22nd, 2023 at the Ozark Empire Fairgrounds in Springfield, Missouri. Be sure to use the code DUNNAGEGAR10 for 10% off your ticket prices, and we look forward to seeing you there because we will be there as the storyteller. Now let's get to the video. After spending over 2 hours in different hardware stores, these are the supplies I came up with. Bucket, lid, PVC fittings, adapters. None of them had all the adapters I needed. They didn't have the hose. I didn't buy the silicone I was going to need to seal this all up. All in all, I spent way more money than it was to actually go buy this from Harbor Freight. And once I got this, the install went super quick, super easy, and it looks a lot better than some hacked up bucket with some PVC sticking out of it. So let's get this out of the box, get it assembled and put on the Sandblaster so I can get to returning all the stuff I didn't need. Well, while there are videos of people doing this for less than $5, I wasn't able to do it. By the time I went and got the adapters and the hose, it was actually more expensive than buying just the dust collector from Harbor Freight. Not to mention spending well over 2 hours going from different hardware stores, getting all the pieces and parts I needed, only to find out they didn't have it. So now it's time for me to head back to the hardware stores and return everything I didn't need. Oh well, it's a project. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. See you in the next video. You have yourself a blessed day.